FIFA Gully is just a little bit of contribution for our love towards the sport. You know, we have been actually doing this for a while now. Actually, it was started by our seniors. We used to cut pages from the newspaper and we used to craft it towards the wall. And from there, it's been quite a journey. You can see all the big portraits and the pictures of all the great artists and nations over here. So it's been a journey. First of all, Kolkata is the mecca of football itself. So yeah, everything in football started from here only. So this is the heritage, and yeah, so that's Kolkata is all about. It's the heritage of football.
FIFA Gully has been a very nostalgic place for me, especially because I live very nearby. This has been a normal, casual bylane which we use to go from one place to another. But now, after all the decoration and all the flags that have been hoisted, especially by the football fans and enthusiasts, this place has turned into a total, you can say, a podium of football lovers, and people from all over Kolkata and from different places, they are coming in, they are showing their energy over here on the streets. Many stunts are being played and they are showing different kind of energy. That's it. Like, this place has become magnetic to all the football lovers.
I want to feel, especially to the newcomers who have not come to this place yet, and feel the energy of this place. You can see that the paintings have been raw and it signifies something. Every painting signifies something. You can see this Ronaldo, then there Messi, then Neymar. The hunger of this player, the hunger of the goats have been identified through this.
Qualifying the World Cup, we have to really start from the grassroots level. We have to really take some children, practice them day and night. Then we can think that India will surely qualify in the World Cup.
Right.
Till then, we grown up seeing Messi and Ronaldo. That's why we support. For now, we supporting Argentina and Portugal and Brazil.